In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view variance in Microsoft Project. If you've ever wondered how your actual or scheduled dates compare with what you originally planned, variance is the lens that makes the difference visible. Everything we're about to do assumes you have a baseline saved. If there isn't one, the variance fields will show blanks or zeros, so keep that in mind as you follow along. Let's start with the clearest numeric view, the variance table. Head to the View tab, look for the data group, and open the Tables drop-down. Choose Variance. Your task sheet will now display columns such as Start Variance and Finish Variance. These fields calculate how far you've drifted from the plan. Specifically, Start Variance equals the start date minus the baseline start date, and Finish Variance equals the finish date minus the baseline finish date. If the value is positive, your task has slipped later than planned. If it's negative, you're ahead of schedule. This table gives you a quick way to scan where you're off track and by how much, right down to the day or the minute, depending on your project's precision. For a visual comparison that's easy to interpret at a glance, switch to the Tracking Gantt view. On the View tab, click the arrow under Gantt Chart and select Tracking Gantt. In this view, your baseline bars typically appear in a muted color beneath your current task bars. Where they don't line up, you have schedule variance. A longer current bar than the baseline indicates an overrun. A bar that's shifted right means a delay. If you want numbers alongside this visualization, open the Tables drop-down while still in Tracking Gantt and pick Variance so you can see both the visual and the numeric story together. If you prefer to tailor the layout to your needs, you can add variance fields directly to a sheet. In any task view, like Gantt Chart, right-click a column heading and choose Insert Column. Add Start Variance and Finish Variance to track date shifts, Duration Variance to see planned versus actual or scheduled duration differences, Work Variance to compare labor effort, and Cost Variance to measure budget drift. This custom setup lets you place variance right next to the baseline and current fields you care about, making it easier to analyze cause and effect. Remember, work and cost variance will be most meaningful once actual work and costs are tracked. That's it. Use the variance table for precise numbers, Tracking Gantt for a visual overlay, and custom columns for a personalized dashboard, and you'll have a complete view of how your project is performing against the plan.